Namaste everyone, I am Arishi from grade 8 of the Sri Ram Universal School, Hyderabad. Have you ever been pressured by your peers? You know, when your friends or other people your age get you to do something that you might not want to do or believe in? If yes, I am here to help. Sometimes peer pressure can be cool and make you try something new or take a new risk. But sometimes it can be bad and make you do things that you don't want to do. I have faced peer pressure too, and personally it's really hard to handle the situation. Picture this, you're invited to a big party and all your friends are invited too. The party sounds fun except for the fact that other people you don't know are coming too and you're not comfortable with it. Your friends are really excited and asked if you could join them, but you tell them that you don't want to go because there will be too many people and you don't want that. And they continue to make fun of you and just say you're a scaredy cat, and this makes people disheartened and crushed. This is the same thing that happened to me just 2 years ago. When I said I wasn't comfortable in going to the party where there were too many people, they told me I was simply scared and they started making fun of me. I felt bad that they started mocking me even when I didn't want to do things they forced me to. So if you're facing peer pressure and you do not know how to handle the situation, I'm going to give you some tips on how to deal with it in the future. Number 1, learn to say no like you mean it. Stand up for yourself. There is no shame in refusing an offer. Learning to say no helps reducing the risk and they give people a clear sign that you're not interested. Number 2, explain your decision. If they respect your decision, you're good. And if they continue to make fun of you, you're better off without them anyway. Number 3, ignore them and walk away. Ignorance is bliss. Number 4, talk to a trusted friend or an adult. You can talk to your best friend, an adult, your parents, or anyone who you trust for that matter. They can help you in understanding the situation and can also help you in supporting peer pressure in the future. Giving in to peer pressure is like letting a squirrel decide your fashion sense. When you give in to peer pressure, you're just letting someone else make your decisions for you. Peer pressure can be really tough, especially when you're young and you're trying to fit in. But your real friends will always support you no matter what. So if you ever feel like someone's peer pressuring you, just take a step back and think about what you want to do. Remember, you can always say no and do your own thing. So remember, in conclusion, peer pressure can be either good or it can be bad, but it's up to you to make the right decisions for yourself. Thank you and namaste.